Hello everyone. So we are going to continue the chemical properties of acids and bases in our this video, starting with our fourth chemical property, that is how do acids and bases they react with each other. So like we studied for our previous reactions as well, we had written a general equation, isn't it? So let us start with a general equation for acid and base. So students, acid, they react with a base to form salt and water, and also with the evolution of heat. Heat is evolved in this equation. Okay, yes. So let us try and understand an example for acid and base. Acid, let us take example of a strong acid, that is HCl, reacting with a base, say NaOH, a strong base again, and this forms salt and water. तो water का formula we already know, it is H2O, and the salt that is formed is NaCl, also with heat. So as the formation of salt here takes place, acid-base reactions, they are called as neutralization reaction. So what is a neutralization reaction? When an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water is called as a neutralization reaction. Let us proceed to our fifth chemical property, that is the reaction of metallic oxide with acid. So how do acid they react with metallic oxide? So for that, let us first understand the general reaction. Students, metallic oxide, they react with acid to form salt and water. Okay, so let us understand what are metallic oxides. Metallic oxide, as the name suggests, it will have a metal ion. Along with that there will be oxide, means oxygen ion. Okay, yes. So an example of metallic oxide is MgO, magnesium oxide. Plus it reacts with acid, HCl, to form salt and water. Water is H2O, and the salt produced here is MgCl2. So this is a reaction of metallic oxide with acids. Okay, yes. So students, did we study a similar reaction before? That is acid plus something is giving salt and water. Yes, just now we have studied neutralization reaction in which acid plus base gives salt and water, isn't it? Yes, तो अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे वो इक्वेशन को, तो हमें मिलेगा कि मेटालिक ऑक्साइड ये क्या है? इट इज़ बेसिक इन नेचर. अगर वो बेस है तो ही वो एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करके सॉल्ट एंड वाटर फॉर्म करेगा, isn't it? Yes. So students, all metallic oxide are almost basic in nature. So this is how metallic oxide react with acids. Students, now we will be studying about the sixth chemical property, that is the reaction of non-metallic oxide with a base. Okay, so for that, let us write down the general equation. So students, non-metallic oxides, they react with base to form salt and water. So let us see what is non-metallic oxide. Like the name says, non-metal and oxide. So there will be a non-metal ion and an oxygen ion, isn't it? Yes. So let us take an example, which is carbon dioxide. So carbon is a non-metal along with that oxygen. So carbon dioxide is a non-metallic oxide reacting with a base, say CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. So it will form salt and water. Water, the formula is H2O, and salt formed here is calcium carbonate. So this equation or this reaction, it forms calcium carbonate and water. Chalo, so now let us compare with our neutralization reaction. Salt water is in the products, base है, तो मेरा metallic oxide क्या होगा? Yes, metallic oxide will be acidic in nature, isn't it? क्योंकि acid और base ही salt and water produce करते हैं. So that is the reason metallic oxides, that is carbon dioxide, is acidic in nature. So with this we complete the chemical properties of acids and bases.